Guess a number between 1 and 5. Is that number 3?
No.
Was it 2?
No. Hello, I'm Judi the Organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. No. In today's video, I will be having my fiance, Anthony. Hello.
Hello.
I'll be having him guess the cost of certain organizing products. Being someone in the organizing industry, I come across a lot of organizing products, and a lot of them I do purchase. I have to purchase them just to see how they work, how functional they are, how beautiful they look. And of course, I try it out in my home before I suggest them to my clients. So I'm gonna have him guess the cost because I kind of want him to understand what goes into this job, this career that I've chosen, which I'm sure he understands because he helps me a lot. But I just want to, just have a fun, I just want to create a fun video showing him or having him understand how much I spend, which really isn't that much. So are you ready?
Of course, I was born ready.
Okay.
That's actually my middle name.
Oh, okay.
Anthony Ready. Annie.
Okay, and we're back. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. All right, let's get it. So the first organizing product on my list, and none of these are in any type of order, is the water hyacinth basket or bin. This is the extra small. Can you pass it to me, please? I'm like pointing to it. This is the extra small bin. This is the smallest of the line, and we use it to hold our medicine in the kitchen. So yeah, we've had it for a while now. I don't know if have you ever noticed this?
Yeah.
Okay, had to know. So I'm gonna have you, I guess, look at it and guess the cost. Here you go.
All right. So, first of all, I'm gonna say that I have seen this.
Okay.
It is near the tea and stuff.
Okay, yeah.
And this is a woven basket. My first instinct, if I was like, how much would I pay for it?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. How much would you pay for it?
How much would I pay for it would be $9.99 if I saw it on the shelf at like Walmart.
You would be okay with paying $10?
$10, yeah.
You would pay $10?
Ish, like $4.99, $9.99.
Okay, okay, that range.
It was like half off, and then it's $4.99, and I'm like, all right, cool. But I do know that a lot of the products that you have are higher quality. We've had this for a while. One of the reasons why I know I did say I would pay $4.99 to $9.99, but I feel like she would pay about $19.99 for it because it's just basket. But at the same time, a lot of times when you see woven baskets, and we're also around Easter time right now, you'll start to see those edges start popping out, and it's like woven and then it's like not so woven. So I don't see that a lot on this basket, and it also has a pretty good capacity. We have little items and stuff like that. You edit yourself.
Long-winded. So with all that said, babe, what do you think?
Final price is $19.99.
Baby, I didn't even get it out.
Because you're taking too long.
Okay, so the cost is $5.99.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. What'd you say?
The price that you paid for this is $19.99.
$19.99. Okay.
Yes.
All right. No, the cost for this is actually $7.99. So that's pretty good, right?
That's good.
$7.99. All right. Well, he was wrong. Do you think you'll get the next one right?
I always win, so yes. Right. The house always wins.
We're extremely competitive, and
we're only competitive because I win a lot.
All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's grab that black one right there, babe. Right. So this is a Tosca bin. I like to use this in our pantry. We have 3 of these. I also have white ones, and when the black ones came out, I had to get them. They were like sold out instantly. So this is the Tosca bin. We use it in our pantry. We usually put like pasta in here. Do we have snacks in? No, I think we have snacks in the water hyacinth. But yes, I just want to give you guys like a backstory on the bin. But how much do you think this costs?
Well, Obviously, as a master pricer, as you saw from my great example last time, very, very great.
Okay.
One thing I've noticed, if we bring back this old basket.
Please don't. They can't even see that.
Okay.
Why? What is?
Because it tells you that it's a higher volume.
Okay.
And bins are priced per volume and style. So this is $19.99.
Okay.
Again.
$19.99. Okay. No. The cost for this is $24.99. So this is $25 for one, and we have 3, and I actually have 3 of the white ones. So I mean, I think it's a good price for this because the quality is so high. Yeah. Moving on to the next. So give me that one. So I have it down here. So this is the whitewashed wooden bin. Right now it holds my moving supplies that I have in my office for my clients. And yeah, I love this. I have 4 of these. This is perfect. This is one of the reasons why my closet looks the way it does. I use this as kind of an inspiration. And I have these also in a smaller version. So there's only 2 sizes if I'm not mistaken. So yeah.
Okay.
What do you think? How much do you think it costs?
So, very first, I get a point back because I've been missing these for months. So I get a point back.
No, you do not.
And the other one I only get half a point off because I was only $5 off. But this is obviously $14.99.
$14.99. Okay? No. No. This is $19.99. $19.99. Yeah, it's $20. So you're wrong.
Well,
wrong again. 3 wrong. No, that's not. No. Well, you know what? You should smell the water hyacinth. That one smells good. But it's too late. Let's move on. So this is the next item. This is the Nordic basket. It actually comes separate. You can buy this by itself or you can buy this by itself. I don't know if anyone buys this by itself. But I love the look of this. It just looks so like put together. It's really nice. This is bamboo. That's kind of a hint. And yeah, I love this. We have a few of these. Right now they're actually in storage because we are not using them right now, but whenever we do need to use it, they will come back out. How much do you think this is, love?
So obviously the old adage goes, the 4th time's the charm.
It doesn't.
And being that this is a 2-piece bamboo sustainable item and it smells like
Oh, okay.
Smells clean.
It smells clean, okay.
I would definitely go with $16.99.
$16.99, you're very close. So the cost is, well, I'm saying very close. The cost is $19 total. The lid itself is $10, and then the body is, I think, $9. So you're off. I mean, you're wrong, but
I was right, but
you weren't.
I was right by like $2.
You were wrong, but
I need a plus or minus. This needs to be
plus or minus what?
Like the price is right,
no.
right? I can't just bet $1.
This isn't the Price is Right.
I bet $1 next time.
Okay, you can do that next time. So this is the next item, and this is where our coffee sits. I'm obsessed with coffee, so this is my jar. Am I obsessed with coffee?
No, baby, you're not obsessed.
I am obsessed with coffee.
Okay, yes, you're obsessed.
Okay, so this is I want to get the name right, the Montana glass canister with I think it's acacia lid. I love these. We have this size, we have a larger size, and then we have 2 larger sizes in our laundry room. These are beautiful. What sold me was the lid. Yeah, it's a beautiful piece. I love it. I love where it sits. It looks really nice in our area since our living room is very brown, very, very brown. So this kind of works. So yeah, how much, babe?
All right, so for this analysis, I'm going to use the cost replacement.
Okay.
As a licensed residential and commercial broker,
yeah,
you have to use different valuation methods. It would cost me approximately $8.99 to replace this.
Okay.
So that is my final answer.
Final answer, guys. That's wrong. This is $14.99. So you're wrong. He's gotten all of them wrong. This was $14.99. So no, nowhere close to $8.99. But you did. You did it. You did. You did. So
I did.
You did. That's it.
I will remember this video.
You ruled.
All of the great and pleasant things. We're going to play Guess That House Price. And,
that'll be fun. And you can follow them here. All right, so the next one on our list is this beauty. This is a woven plastic bin with handles. These sit in my closet. I have about 3 of these. I love these. When I first saw them, I hated them. Now I'm obsessed with them. Right now, my sandals sitting here. Yeah, perfect bin in my opinion.
Okay.
Here you go.
Being that this is the perfect bin in her opinion, and that she has only 3 of these, I have to go back. I'm gonna use the Tiger King method of valuation.
What is that?
That means that Carol Baskin killed her husband. Okay, so the price of this, as a Floridian would say,
okay,
or Oklahomian would say.
Okay.
Homian.
Homian.
Oklahomian.
Oklahoman.
Oklahoman? Oklahoma. Texans. Oklahoma. Oklahomans. Oklahomans?
No,
Oakley's.
sorry.
Oakley's,
Right?
Oakley's is definitely a.
No,
it's browear.
Oh, well.
It's like glasses.
Oh, Oakley. Okay. Anyway.
This right here, the price of this
Is?
Plastic woven. See, it's plastic.
But it's woven.
It's plastic woven, but it's mass produced. So really, the price is $21.99.
No. The cost for this is $14.99. $14.99.
That's what I would have said if I didn't know it was plastic
Woven. Woven should have got you. The design. Whoa. So this is the Verriera bin. I am obsessed with this bin. I purchase it all the time for myself, especially for my clients. I love this bin. Yeah. Right now, oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
We use it in our guest bathroom to hold our cleaners, hence the product cleaning label. So here you go. Let's get it out of your face, please. There we go.
This is a very easy one. This is $9.99.
Why do you think this is $9.99?
This is $9.99 because you purchase it in mass.
I what?
You purchase it in mass.
Okay, no. The cost for this is $4.50.
Well, I was gonna say $4.99.
But you didn't.
Everything has to start from the beginning.
No.
The price of this is $4.99.
No, wrong. You are wrong. It's $4.50. $4.50.
But I was only out by 40 cents.
49. This is a great product. Honestly, it's one of probably the best quality products, and it's the cheapest of the ones that I mentioned today. So, love the Verriera bin.
So let's look at the scoreboard.
So basically, you got a 0. You got none of them right. There were 7 total, and you got a 0, a flat F. You did horribly.
This is how villains are made. And this is why you're gonna have so much fun when you look at my video and I cross-examine her and ask her, hey, how much are the prices of these houses? And she'll never guess it.
I will. I'm great at this. All right, so we're done. What'd you think, Glenn?
I thought it was great, except for the parts where I was wrong, because I was obviously right.
Okay, so he had a great time. Basically, thank you so much for joining me. This was fun. I really love this. I love the idea of doing more videos with you, love.
And I love the fact
what?
that I will be beating you on our next challenge when I do the houses. You have to guess the price of houses.
Okay, cool. I am up for the challenge and I know I'm gonna win. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video inspires you to create some fun as we are locked at home, being productive, but nevertheless locked at home and trying to, I don't know, find some type of happiness throughout this. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you would like more videos like this, or at least with him in it. I feel like there's a lot of like challenges or games we can play, all surrounded around organizing. And I feel like he will do better. He'll do better at them. I'll say that.
Amazing. Only amazing.
Better. The only place you can go from now is up. So.
Wow.
I'm just saying.
It's a great way to say you're a failure.
I mean, if the shoe fits.
Wow.
So.
I don't have on shoes.
Okay. Well, you don't. So you also have on only boxers, but that's neither here nor there. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.